Imagine owning a luxury twin or carriage home in Wayne and the top-rated Tredyffrin Easttown School District. Welcome to Wayne Glen. I'm Melissa and I'm excited to show you around. Choose from 3 unique home designs with exceptional included features like hardy plank siding, bluestone walkways, natural stone, wide plank hardwood flooring, premium cabinets, and a gourmet kitchen. The open design is perfect for everyday life and grand entertaining. And look at this loft space in the Bryn Mawr model. It's a great place for guests, kids, or grandkids to hang out and relax. If you don't want to climb stairs, we've got you covered. Main level living is offered at Wayne Glen. Do you like to travel? Just lock and leave. Lawn care and snow removal will be taken care of. You'll be minutes from everything in the region thanks to an amazing location close to routes 202, 276, 76, and 476. Better yet, you can walk to the King of Prussia Town Center, grab a Saturday morning treat at Duck Donuts, or pick up a few groceries at Wegmans. Plus, Wayne Glen is just a 20-minute drive or quick train ride from Center City, Philadelphia. There is so much that I want to share about this community that offers carefree lifestyle, acclaimed school district, and convenient location. Make an appointment to see it for yourself today.